Hiya guys, welcome to another video. So today we've had a parcel arrive from Varnail. Wait until you see these, they are so pretty. So Varnail have now brought out their Hema free range gel polishes. As you can see, they're Hema free, TPO free and HPMA free. Amazing quality. They're also cruelty free and vegan friendly and Big 5 free. The ingredients there, if anyone wants to just check out those very quickly, just give that a little screenshot. They cure in an LED light for 30 to 60 seconds and in a UV light 60 to 90 seconds. Nice quick cure time. I love Varnail's packaging. How cute is that? Heart bubble wrap. It's beautiful. So this is the Halloween Party collection. So there's 6 in this collection, colours from 139 to 144. So we're going to swatch them to start with, have a little look at the colours. Then I think I want to do just, I don't want to do a full design. I want to do a few different designs today. I don't feel like doing a full set. I feel like doing like little 1-nail tutorial kind of things. I think that's the road I'm going to go down today. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I think that's what we're going to do. But I want to swatch them first anyway and have a look at the colours properly. Alright guys, let's have a quick look inside the box first before we get them swatched. I really like this packaging, you know. It's really pretty, isn't it? So you've got your colour number and colour name on the top. Then inside the box, I love this. These bottles are really pretty as well. So these are the bottles. Love that it advertises that they're Hema free. But inside the box, look, you get this little, can't think what you call these. Chibi something. I don't know, can't remember what they're called. Chibi something, I don't know, it's chew something. And look, they sit in there like that. I love that. So you swatch this, then you've got your colour on the front of the bottle. How cool is that? So cool. You've also got your ingredients on the back there again, which is really nice if you don't want to keep your boxes and you just want to make sure that you've always got your ingredients to hand. Love that. I do actually really need to get all my Varnail swatched because the other bottles what I've got, you've got your swatches on the lid, look. And I've still not swatched mine, so I need to get around to doing that. I might do that this weekend, actually. I've already got my swatch sticks set up and labelled. So, let's get swatching. You have also got the colour number and colour names on the bottom of the bottles as well. This is going to be the first one. 139. Party begins. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful and opaque. And do you know what else I really like about these as well, guys? They have got the DuPont brushes in, you know, like the fan shape bristles. They fit so nice in the cuticle area and they are super soft. My favourite gel polish brushes they are. Look at that, guys. Absolutely stunning. So it's like a really beautiful metallic silver shimmer, and then it's got like silver holographic fine glitter pieces in there. Wow, I don't even know if you're going to be able to see that. Yeah, just look at that. Can you see the little bits of hollow glitter just shining? Oh, there, look. Ah, beautiful. Love that. And there's so much more hollow bits in there than what, look, can you see when it catches the light a little bit? There's so many more hollow bits to the eye. Love that. Next up we've got 140 Elsa's dress. Gorgeous. Look at that. So that one is just a beautiful baby blue shimmer. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it. 141 Candy Lover. That's really pretty. It's like between a pink and a lilac. Really, really pretty. $142 Green Monster. Oh, wow. That is so pigmented. Look at the pigment on that, guys. That is that pat full of green shimmer. Wow, love that. I'm not even a fan of green and I love that. That is beautiful. Right up my street, especially with Halloween on our doorstep. Then we've got 143 Pumpkin Patch. Again, look at the pigment. I actually thought this was a red and I thought, why is it called Pumpkin Patch? You'd expect it to be orange, but it actually is orange. Love that. I'm well happy that's an orange and not a red, you know. Love it. And then last, but certainly not least, 144 Magic Wand. Now, I think this is going to be a favourite one for quite a lot of you guys. I've got a lot of viewers that love purple. Now, look at this purple, guys. It is like the proper Cadbury's purple. Oh, now I'm really torn. Because I was going with Elsa's dress, but now I don't know if I'd prefer that one or this one. Because that is gorgeous. Look at that. These are beautiful, aren't they, guys? Especially for Halloween as well. Perfect for Halloween, aren't they? Love that. Right, should we get them top coated and then have another look at them? So I'll just top coat them off camera and then we'll pop back in a minute and have a look at them. Oh, wow, guys. Look at those. Aren't they pretty? Love them. I love that you've got these kind of 3 light ones and you've got these 3 bright ones. I like that you've got a bit of a combo like that. Well smart, ain't they? Can't believe how bright these bright ones are. They're so bright. So vibrant. Love them. But not only are they gorgeous, but they're Hema free as well, guys. So anyone that suffers with any kind of allergies, there's a good chance that you're going to be able to use these and you're not going to have any issues. Like I say, they're Big 5 free, TPO free, HPMA free, vegan friendly, cruelty free. They are well and truly toxin free, aren't they? And they're amazing value as well. I've said this from day one. The minute I started using Varnail, I loved their gel formula straight away. They've got an amazing formula. And guys, I've got a 25% off discount for Varnail as well, which is GG30. But I'll leave all that pinned in my comments, along with the link to the website if anyone wants to go over and have a little look on there. But yeah, remember, when you're looking at the prices, always take 25% off that, because that's what you'll get using my discount code. So yeah, that's them all swatch, guys. Now, like I said earlier, I think I'm just going to do a couple of like one nail tutorials, and I want them to be kind of Halloween-y vibes. I think that's the vibe I'm going for. So this first nail is going to be Nightmare Before Christmas kind of vibes. I'm going to start off with giving a full coat of 142 Green Monster. Guys, these apply beautifully. So smooth. They self-level beautifully. Look at the pigmentation on that. Wow. Give that a quick cure. While that's curing, I'm going to pop a little bit of 144 Magic Wand on my palette. Load my brush up. Because these are so pigmented, guys, they're so easy to do nail art with. You often find with like glittery or shimmery gel polishes, they're quite sheer and you really struggle to use them for nail art, but these, not an issue. Not an issue at all. Not even going to need to do a second coat. That's how pigmented they are. Pop that in the lamp to cure. Right, on this one, I want to do a bit of an ombre between Elsa's Dress 140 and Candy Lover 141. So, these I think are going to be really nice to ombre because they're nice and pigmented. So I want blue just on the tip. I'm not going to cure that. And then this pinky lilac at the top. Then I'm just going to get my brush, swipe from side to side, up and down, making sure I'm getting them sides as well.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you.
Look how easy they are to blend. Effortless, guys. Absolutely effortless. Look at that. Super easy. Pop that in the lamp. I'm going to pop a little bit of 143 Pumpkin Patch on my palette. And now I'm going to paint some pumpkins just dotted about all over this nail. All different size ones.
I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it starts. Yeah. Slow down. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight?
I'm not sure about that big one, but it's only a little one nail tutorial, guys, so I'm not worrying too much about it. I'm just going to pop that straight in the lamp. So I've pulled out Varnail's black stamping gel. This stuff is amazing. It's so pigmented. It's amazing for doing nail art with. I'm just going to give it a little stir because I've not stirred it for a while. And then I'll just pop a little bit on my palette. And then I'm going to use that to outline all the pumpkins and do all the detail.
Wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time nothing to do.
Then on this last one, we're going to do a full coat of Magic Wand colour 144.
You said you want me when it starts. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it starts.
Give that a cure for 30 seconds. While that's curing, I'm just going to add a little bit of Party Begins colour 139. want to do, I know this is orange and not red, but it doesn't matter. It's Halloween, so we can have whatever colour blood drips that we want, can't we?
Want this to last. Said you wanted honest. I'm giving you my hand.
And then, can anyone guess what these are going to be?
I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it starts. Yeah. Slow down. Sun is about to go down. So what you
Has anyone guessed what these are going to be yet?
everything I can't think of.
I don't know why I'm asking like I'm going to hear your answer, but, you know. I do that when I'm recording these videos, guys. I'm just talking away to myself like I'm talking to you, like you're here. You should hear some of the crap that I have to cut out of my videos because I'm just chatting away. Give them a quick cure for a sec. And then we're going to go in. So these are, if you've not already guessed, little ghosties. We're just going to give them little eyes. And a little ooh of a mouth. The ooh mouth, like that. So that is our little ghosties. I love them. They're so cute. So there we go, guys. That is my little Halloween one nail tutorials. I am well impressed with how pigmented these are, you know. Cannot believe how well that purple covered over that green. How well the silver covered that really deep purple. Well impressed with those. They are so pigmented, guys. And then that is the swatches one last time. They're so pretty, aren't they? Still can't get over how pigmented they are. Them last three are just so vibrant, aren't they? I really like these two ombre together as well. And they ombre together effortlessly as well, didn't they? Effortlessly, which we like. And that is the end of the video, guys. I want to say a huge thank you to Varnail for sending these out for us to take a look at. Thank you so much. I have been dying for Varnail to bring a Hema free range out, and they finally have, and I'm buzzing about that. Because like I said earlier, their formula is one of my favourite formulas, and now it's also free from all these toxins, including Hema. They are on to an absolute winner, if you ask me. They really are. They're super affordable. They've got some really cute things on their website as well, guys, especially when it comes to seasonal stuff like Halloween and Christmas and things. So head on over and have a little look on there if you haven't already. I will leave the link to the Varnail website pinned in my comments, and I'll also pin my 25% off discount code there as well. So don't forget to use that if you do decide to place yourself a cheeky order. I will definitely be using these a lot more, especially with some Halloween designs that I've got in mind. So keep your eyes peeled for that. And I really hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. It was something a little bit different, wasn't it? If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd really appreciate it if you'd consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.